little learners. Today we have played a very interesting game regarding related to the maths. There are many mental math kind of sums and many different activities with all the operations in it. So what you have to do it first of all, you have to download this maths game from the internet, from your app store. If you are using Android phone, you'll go to the Play Store, and if you're using Apple phone, you are going to the Apple Store for that. You have to keep in mind there are many other maths games over there, but you have to keep in mind this icon. Okay, keep in mind this green icon, this image in your mind, and then download the game. It's very interesting. Simply open this game, and there will be many rounds, many challenges. This is the front page that will open in front of you. You can do the settings as well. You can turn off the music, you can turn off the sounds as well. And there is another thing which is very interesting, that it is having the mediums as well. All right, how I jump to the medium, tell you. You have to go to this sign, this boy sign, and click on that. You will jump to the different mediums. When you go to the settings option, go to the settings option. Okay, there are different mediums. There are three mediums over here, that is easy, medium and hard. Okay, for your child ease, you can select the medium easy only. Okay, select the medium easy only for your children, according to their age. If grade 1 is doing this, they are going to go for the easy medium, and if grade 3 is doing, they can go for all the three mediums as well. Now what you will do, you'll select that. All right, now this is player 1. Now here comes the, wait, here comes the player. Okay, look at this player sign. Okay, you will jump to this one. When you jump to this one, this is player 1. You can name the player 1. For instance, if I said my player 1 is from grade 1, if I said few players are playing from grade 1, and I set the age 2 to 9. All right. Okay, then I want to add another player. Okay, this is grade 1. I set the grade 1, and I set the age of grade 1. These are the ages. I set their age to 2 to 9. All right, I click on that, take it, and then it's done. Now again click on it, and there will be, you can see that the one boy is clicked. This one boy is clicked, and you have to go to the next boy, which is blur over here in the image. When you click on this boy, player 2 will come. Now I'm going to set it name grade 3, and I'll set the age 2 to 9 because they are 2 to 9, but their difficulty level, I'll increase their difficulty level. I'll Now you can even select the images for grade 3 as well. I'll select the other image for grade 3. Now what you can do is grade 3, in grade 3 you can change your difficulty level. I'll do the all other levels. Okay, this is how you are going to set the game for the all the levels. Now, and as much as players you can add, there is no medium for the players. You can add as many players as you can. All right, so we are going to have grade 1. Okay, as you can see, now there are different levels. This is plus, minus, multiply, divide. This is the easiest level for grade 1, and then at the end there is a game slogan in it. When you'll click on game, even you can click on anything. There will be a world challenge over here. You can go for the world challenge. You can play this game. You can play this puzzle match 15, all the mixed sums over here, memory games, equation games, difficult level games, pieces games, recall games. Then these are the square root games. It's because the age is from 2 to 9, so you can play accordingly. Then hard games, solve games, whatever you. Today we have play this game, the pieces game, with grade 1. I'll open it, go to the one page, and then you are going to play it. Simply drag the numbers to there, and you will jump to the next one. See, this is how you are going to choose and select the grid. You can play as much as games, as many as things over here. You can go to the plus sign, and even in every icon there are so many other subfolders and icons as well. So you can play them, you can practice them, you can play the quiz, you can duel, two students can play together, you can play any game, you can have a test, you can have a time game. This time game is actually the time limit game when you start, and as you can see over here, the time is ticking and you have to answer quickly in that time. This is also very good game. It's just simply just true and false. And here upon above over here with green and red signs, you got the numbers, you got the right and correct answers and how many scores you have done. So these are very interesting game. You can play with your kids and tell your kids to play these games to increase their mental maths level. Thank you so much.